Love is just not a commitment. It's a choice you make every day to show up, to sacrifice, and to support the person you love. Ang pag-ibig ay parang ulan, minsan dahan-dahan, minsan mabilis. Kaya mo itong maramdaman pero hindi mo kayang mapigilan.
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips.
Kapag nag-I love you ka sa isang tao, hindi mo lang sinasabi na mahal mo siya. You are making a promise of commitment for your future love.
I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you.
July and Jim's relationship is a perfect example for us who are not yet in that situation or in relationship.
But now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
Ngayon sabay nating matutuklasan at suportahan ang dalawang nagmamahalan. Kahit malayo man sa isa't isa ay hindi magiging hadlang.
Here we stand today, like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever.
Message from Jims. Mahal, di mo alam kung gaano ako kaswerte dahil nakilala kita. Pinakita at pinaramdam mo sa akin ang love na di ko pa naranasan dati. Sana lagi mong tandaan, mahal, na andito lang ako always at di kita pababayaan. Take care yourself always, mahal, kasi malayo ako sa ngayon. Darating din ang panahon na magkikita tayo at magsasama. I love you so much, mahal ko, and happy 3rd Mansari. Parang kailan lang 3 months na agad tayo, mahal, no? Napakabilis ng panahon. Pero hindi naman basihan yun kung ilang araw, weeks, months, or years na tayo eh. Ang importante is mahal natin ang isa't isa. At kahit anong mga bagay man or problema man ang dumating sa atin, sabay nating haharapin yun at ipaglaban ang relasyon natin. That's all, mahal ko. You know how much I love you po. Wala kang dapat alalahanin. Happy 3rd Mansari, mahal ko.
The story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shelter you. I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word I say. On this
Sa mga anak namin na si Casey, Maya, Gerald, napakasaya namin dahil naging anak namin kayo. At tanggap nyo kami bilang isang magulang kahit hindi man tayo magkadugo, pero yung love nyo bilang isang anak sa amin ay totoo. Naramdaman namin yun at ganun din kami sa inyo. Napakabait niyo sobra at mahal na mahal namin kayo ng mami niyo. I love you mga anak.